Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I released the extended clip of how I achieved this pink look using Rimmel's London. And if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna show you guys how I achieved this look, so keep watching. Okay, so as you can see that I'm doing my eyebrows, which I'm outlining right now, just filling them in and sharpening the ends. By the way, my natural eyebrows are already shaped, so all I have to really do is just outline them and really fill them in like quickly. And basically my eyebrows doesn't really take that long to do every day. It's just already naturally shaped the way it is. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Honey and putting that all over my bottom eyebrows and just blending them out. As you can see now, I took my Fit Me foundation in the color 335 and I'm just passing over under my eyebrows again like I did with the concealer. The concealer is actually a little bit too bright under my eyebrows, so that's why I took the Fit Me foundation and kind of redid my underbrows again, just so that they don't appear too bright under my eyebrows. Now I'm doing the top of my brow just with the foundation. I did not add no concealer at all. So I'm using this pretty brown color all over my upper eyelids and just packing it on and blending it out. So now I have the concealer and I am doing my cut crease, just slowly filling it in and moving very slow. Here we are packing that shimmer pink all over my eyelids. And just a fun fact, make sure you wet the brush and then pass your brush over the shimmer pink, because it will make this look stand out more other than when the brushes are dry. Okay, as you can see, I have the white shimmer in my corner cut crease that I took off the palette of the Rimmel London, and now I'm blending it out and packing on more of the shimmer red onto my eyelid. Okay, here I am putting my Maybelline primer on, which is the number 400. It's a blur plus pore minimizer, so that's what I'm pulling all over my face and blending it out. Okay, here I am putting on my True Match L'Oreal foundation in the color N7, which is neutral, and I am putting this all over my face and blending it out evenly. Okay, now I am concealing my face with the same concealer that I used in the beginning of the video, and I'm just packing that under my eyes. Usually I put this around my concealer area that I need to conceal, which are my under eyes, my chin, my nose, a little bit of my forehead, not too much, and then on the side of my cheeks. Okay, now I'm going to take my wet damp beauty blender and I'm going to pat my conceal area down and smoothing it out. Okay, now we're going to contour. Usually I don't cream contour my face. I'm going to contour my nose, and this is in the color Chestnut. Right now you're going to see me contour my forehead. In a few you'll see me contour the side of my cheek and a little bit of under my chin. So I took my beauty blender and I am blending out the contour areas. Make sure you blend it out super duper good so that it does not look too harsh on your skin. Okay, now I'm using my Black Radiant contour palette. This is the powder one, not the cream one, light to medium. And as you can see, I'm going to pack down the areas that I cream contour with this contour. So I am blending out the harsh contour with this brush and just blending it out even. Now I'm going to use this powder and I'm going to put that under my contour, same as for the other side. Okay, so I am taking that powder and putting on my forehead too, just to, you know, blend it out. Now I'm going to take the brush and blend it out even more. Also taking that brush and putting some powder under my eyes and sweeping it away. Okay, I almost forgot to powder contour my nose, so I'm going to take this brush and put some contour on my nose. Okay, now I was putting some powder on my nose and I'm taking that brush and sweeping off the powder, and I'm actually adding some more contour to my forehead, evening it out. And now I'm going to sweep it away a little bit. I'm also going to sweep the chin and the nose and the side of my cheeks and under my eyes. Okay, here now I'm contouring my face a little more because I felt like I lost it with the powder. Now I have my setting spray and I'm going to spray that all over my face. And then I will take the Beauty Blender and pat that in just so that it can stay more on my face. Okay, here's me applying my lashes on and, you know, just adjusting them to my likings. And usually I always try to make my lashes come upward a little bit just so that it can pop out more. And then I'm going to do the same for my other eye. Okay, I'm going to take my mascara and I'm going to use that to create a beauty mark on my face. I'm just going to add them right there. And then now I'm going to use the highlighter in this palette and I'm going to put that all over my nose and the bridge of my nose. Okay, now I have my highlighter brush and I'm just gonna highlight the side of my face and under my chin and on top of my lips. Okay, now I'm going to lip line my lips in the color Roasted Coffee, and now I'm just lining my lips. So now I have the blush in the color 15. It's actually called Nude. I'm just passing that all over my cheeks. Okay, now we're taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the number BLG13, which is Fortune Cookies, and I'm just passing that all over my lips. So I'm also going back and taking the Beauty Blender and blending out my blush. Now I have the Victoria's Secret Total Shine Addict. It's called Candy Baby, and I'm just putting that all over my lips. And here's the final look. As you can see, it came out really good, especially for drugstore makeup, and these are my final results.